Just the play. When you tire, you go stop.
By yourself.
By yourself, with yourself, around yourself, into yourself. Anyway, now good evening and welcome to the next show for today. Will be the 16th of June 2015. I no go talk October, I no go talk September, I no go talk December.
How about see? Can bong no get about 15th of October.
15th of October.
My name is Nanedu _ for me and Katim and DJ of the gods, living and the dead. Don't enter for inside studio, DJ Easy Beat. Anyway, today's show, we was supposed to get one guest when he say never come.
Now, so this kind of people know they make heaven.
This kind of person, you're not going to make heaven.
Even if you won't give him $10,000,
I will personally make sure you don't go to heaven. I will personally make sure you don't go to heaven.
We can't make heaven. There's no how.
Anyway, today for start the show today, we get gist what they start with normally. I don't know how many of you know COMPETITION.
They do if not by only you alone, everybody don't know about them. On top of the show because it don't pop. Even on Instagram. That thing.
I don't do anything by Instagram. I don't do anything by Instagram.
You and two black beds. I know those black beds. On Insta, 2 black beds. They were standing on the wall.
Hey, you know they there?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
I don't know. But I know, say, because your Yako name he mentioned for inside.
I don't know whether our people came us, whether I get picture of Kosi Ojako when he say he not wear cloth. Whether he go show people, but
he not wear cloth how?
She not they wear cloth
now.
They
wear cloth, they do.
They wear cloth, just that
the material no they reach.
No, not material. No. Waiting.
Wazobia reduce.
Wazobia reduce.
The Wazobia reduce the overshadow.
They overshadow.
They don't even tell you something. See as you hold up.
You know. Hey, now.
I lie.
See am.
They do not.
I shock when I see Kosi Ojako wear cloth to wear cover.
See Peter.
I no see her Bobby. Her Wazobia reduce. Because normally anytime where Kosi Ojako enter area they go say Kosi Ojako and her Wazobia reduce. It's not, you know, so sometimes I ask, you know, so Kosi Ojako feel like if you don't reach like 42 years old.
Somewhere.
I want to show that picture again. She old. I see that picture earlier today. She look old for that picture.
Who be that?
Kosi Ojako now.
You know, say.
See, she look like grandmother. See now.
She even look different, self.
She look very different.
Maybe because of the gilly and stuff which she wear.
See, she can't pack herself.
No, but what's happened when they pack? Now, Peter, don't you want them?
Maybe that's a kind of traditional gathering.
Maybe she, as she respect herself, say she dey go see Peter Iduchi. Now she respect herself, say make she pack her Wazobia reduce. Wazobia reduce well. Anyway, surprising another one be. And then for the second today we go discuss today, the wife of the pastor of Dunamis Church, where they for inside Abuja, Pastor Eneche. Those of you where they Abuja, I know this pastor. You know him personally? I know not say I know him personally, but I know him face. That's why I stay for Abuja. I believe for Abuja for like 3 years now. So I know him. Church? I not go in church. Okay. I not go in church, but I know him. They always talk in name for because they get, you know, say churches these days they get signboard for they do adverts. So I always see their adverts. Now they don't talk for their church now. Say some brothers
from now
where they intentionally do some things in the church, all in the name of holy hug and holy kiss.
To make you die now.
So that holy hug now, they don't stay make them stop them for Dunamis Church now. What if it be holy hug? They will hug, oh sister, hug me with your Wazobia reduce. They come hug her, hey,
full hug.
Sister, where has you been? Where has you been? Then they come do holy kiss.
How did they do?
Sister, where has you
Who
been?
they do like this, the man or the woman?
Now 2 of them now. No, the guy. See the man. I thought I'm not the man be this now.
Yeah.
Maybe the man go down there church one day. They altar.
Be this. No, be this clothes when he buy for Uppy Waker.
The bow tie say, no, the bow tie be like a hair tie.
Swag.
So why the wife they ban? Why not be saying the pastor they ban? Why the wife they ban?
No. Maybe the wife's son did the church, and of course the wife's son go did the church. Maybe the wife's son don't grow, and he can't get one girl. Where the wife's son they always do holy kiss. And maybe the girl be like Kosi Ojako, where her Wazobia reduce is a voluptuous Wazobia reduce.
My brother, so the woman here me funny come.
No, I can't take this anymore.
Yeah, so from now, so how they gonna agree now?
From far now, brother. Okay. More stand up, more go. More okay. From far. Now you be sister.
So I they walk to
Sister Kate. Carry my Bible. Ma carry Bible.
Make myself carry.
Sister Kate.
Hey.
Well done.
Hello.
God bless you.
Long time.
We don't see you.
You
Why
dey
you
go
not come
Bible?
fellowship?
No, I know they travel since. I come
My
back.
sister, you're backsliding.
No, it's not like that. No.
I miss you.
You're looking nice.
No, thank you.
Oh yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
That's all they will do for the church now. So therefore, if you be that way, one go to church, when the kids say, that's how you go walk. My sister, my brother, change your mind. No more holy hug and holy kiss again. Anyway, we go buy small chicken bread for you. We go watch small music video. We'll watch one music video, and when we come back, we continue with the waka and topic of today on top of the next show.
The waka and what?
Waka and topic. Talk that thing.
Say, you know.
Talk am the way they talk am.
Oh, that girl. Say, babe, you know, say that your ECB is not bad looking at all.
The way he used to scratch, I would like him to scratch me.
The way he play with an instrument. You know, say Isi go. I beg, I want stand about her. Isi go stand. He gets some kind swag. He just
You don't cut eye.
You know, say I don't get headphones.
Wait. Come out. Come outside. Make camera show me. Make easy beat. Make music they play. Oh yeah. Camera show me now. Make music they play. Music they play.
No. He say.
That's what easy beat they do.
Isi go use the camera.
Now what did do man see?
Everybody. Then when you do one hand they go like this, another hand they go like this.
One hand they go. You just finger the thing. They go like this.
So,
They go like this.
you know, the woman just sit down and say,
The way he's using his hands, I like it. I like it to scratch on me like that. You see me talk one okay now here. You're dead. D-E-D, dead.
Dead on arrival.
Anyway, Una, welcome back on Top the Night Show for today. We'll tell Una say we'll get one guest. We're not going to make heaven.
I told nine bad pass.
And then we mean them by say she not going to make heaven. Why? You see?
My brother, you have to talk it as it do you. Otherwise, the thing is not going to leave your
why
body.
you they go somewhere?
Now, Nedu. Come and collect $15,000.
Be here by 8 o'clock.
On the dot.
On the dot.
8.00.00.
GMT.
He no go there, yeah?
He go there here now. He go down there, come collect the money. He go down there, come collect the money.
Oh.
But because of say, don't worry. Now, because you know it's traffic. It's traffic. That is why traffic is the one that is holding us. My sister, you know why you don't go make heaven? This hair where you first plait. People they do normal black hair. You go carry gray hair put. You never need to own to get gray hair. You don't give yourself gray hair while you are young.
No, Abante, Nedu, Abante.
Maybe not. Why your own not grey?
I don't know. Abante, I mean, they're very normal somebody, but Abante, you mean I'm matching to matching. The hairs plus the cloth plus the trusses.
This one not match the cloth at all.
You match, Joe.
You not match. Get out. Who asked you? Who asked you now?
Oh my. You know, say this easy people don't suspect us. That is okay, don't face for them. Because
why you they cut eye for them? Why you say good?
He fell, I mean, I gave your name.
Wait, I never even talking. Wait, I don't why they.
Yeah, see.
She's blushing. That's cutting for today's show now. Isn't it one laugh today? What's the new style of laughing? Isn't it laugh? Anyway, her name na Evelle. I beg make you join us. Welcome, Evelle. Evelle,
no, I think that's
Evie. Come, what is your real name? Where mama and papa give you? Evelyn, Guinea.
Zibili.
Guinea.
Zibili.
Yay. Guinea.
Zibili, like Zibili.
Where you come from?
Now Jubilee, you won't call before.
No, Zibili. Zibili.
Okay, you need to Zibili.
Where from Edo State you come from?
Ishan.
Hey! I hear something about Ishan babies.
Please tell me.
They say when the whole man, that one not go anywhere again.
Oh my God, I'm in trouble.
You know them like bear hawk.
They say like bear. You know that can't even be said they use use leg. They go hold you.
Hold you.
When the one feed small pikin when not green chop. When they go. They can wear when the pikin go. Then if Ishan gets hold you like that, but you know they go anywhere. Now like I been at
No, tram, two of us. You never marry, Abi.
my sister don't try it with me. Now me go hold you.
When you know the Asian man.
Now me go hold you. Anyway, Evelle, welcome to the show. Welcome to tonight's show.
Thank you very much. Once again, I'm very sorry about
honestly English now.
Thank
you very much.
You think say we be easy bit?
Leave them.
They think no they work for us.
No fix. No fix.
I don't know. Tell him for me. I don't know.
What did they sweet you now?
I don't know. I'm just happy. I just be happy. I don't know why.
Wait. Yeah. And I want to just be like person one day for the blow this for you. Yeah, anyway, Evelle and she win season 4 Nigerian Idols and she be the winner of season 4. It's Evelle. I know they see you for TV. What's happen? You don't chop your money finish?
Because I don't know how to talk more. I don't date TV since, so even now they play my videos. So
would they play them?
Yeah.
I know they see them more.
Then you say you
They just play and finish now.
I know, and now I see them, but you can't find way for that TV pass like this.
So you say
I mean, you find pass here, you find for here pass the TV.
You don't they
in other words, one person find pass, one image find pass.
She find pass the video. No, they find the same thing. And they confuse the find. And they confuse the find.
Say find A or find B.
Find A or find B. It's find A, B.
Find A top coat.
Find A asterisk B.
Yes.
Now,
too much, no me 5.
We go school now in the place. Now, so far, tell us who you be. Who be Evelle?
Okay.
Which kind of song they sing?
This kind of question, to talk for pidgin, they had.
Not speak English, yeah. It's quite English. Yeah, Geneva,
the same thing.
Okay. Evelle now, how I go to put him now? Very youthful, talented.
Lasabia reduce.
Playful.
Lasabia reduce. You say thank you.
If I say Lasabia reduce, say
thank you. Thank you.
So you talk now, say your name now, Evelle, aka Lasabia reduce.
No.
You don't know.
I don't know what you mean.
You don't know what they talk now.
You guys tell me what to do before I will tell you thank you. Or Adam, join my name.
Your guy, you know you.
Don't worry, after this whole show, I'll go ask him.
Okay, he go show you got to make you enter.
No.
Hey, I need to make you do am.
I beg, I don't do. I don't trust you for this matter.
Okay. No, Lasabia Radus. Skalama Bush.
No.
We go the laugh when she did.
How come you don't forget this name?
Now they ask and say, even me, say, I sit down and think, I don't remember.
I write them down somewhere. I can't memorize them. Lasabia Radus. You know when they send you go market, you don't forget something. Lasabia Radus. Skalama Bush. Anyway, tell us who you be.
Okay, yeah. So I be singer, I be writer, and I be performer as well.
Writer.
Yeah.
You write
love letter.
Songs. Songs.
Songs.
I be songwriter.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And I be performer as well.
Okay. Now tell us.
Which kind of music first?
Which kind of music they sing?
Well, it depends though.
Now I know. It depends.
It depends.
Easy beat.
It depends.
Now I know.
That's what I'm
Continue.
Two people from Edo State, it depends.
It
About
depends.
days you are
You know,
English.
it get different.
Anytime we ask a question,
He say
go
it
say
depends.
it depends. Now, una two know na say it depends. Continue.
Okay. No, so you get different music for different moods. I mean, I feel saying we never to understand for Nigeria. Say music day for different moods. Everybody just want dance. Everybody just want hear, you know. So you guys understand what people want for some particular time, for one particular moment in time, you know. So I do any kind of song because before Nigerian Idol, where I win, I mean, they do repertoire for Radisson Blue, a hotel. Repertoire, but I mean, they sing with band, yes.
Oh, Anybody they sing with band, now repertoire.
Repertoire, yes. Not be patois. Patois different. Patois na one particular genre of song. That one way Cynthia Morgan they do. Way Pato ranking they do. Now they call patois. Yeah.
Which one come be repertoire?
Repertoire na like different songs.
Because patois
covers of like when you they do other people them song.
Okay.
Okay. Now be repertoire. No. Okay.
So I be they do that one for a hotel, Radisson Blue and Whitbaker Hotel.
Okay.
You know, so I be they do jazz, R&B, reggae, any kind of music. So right now, I know if you talk say I be Afro. I do Afro pop. I do soul. I be more of a soulful singer. Like, but any song where I do, I tend to have that because I'm a soul. You know, when you say someone is a soulful singer, I don't mean say the person they'll do only soul.
They go down to his soul.
Exactly.
Which one where you sing? May make you win Idol?
Oh, it was soul.
Okay, nothing happen there. Make we watch the video where make her the last song where she sing for the final of Idol. Make we watch her. We are going to come back. She reached down her soul.
To bring out that
to bring out the song, the soul of the music. Make we watch her. We will come back. and go and climb the mountain in a Wazobia reduce way.
There it is.
Anyway, let me go a small chicken break for you. We'll come back. We'll continue it with Evelle. In fact, this girl is a singist. If I will say you're not gonna make heaven, my sister, then you go. You did first list of heaven now. We are coming back on Top the Light Show.
Thank you.